Camera, this is like awesome.
My voice sucks on camera though, man.
I don't mind that. I got one foot out. Oh, it's stuck.
Dude, you're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous.
I don't think okay. I mean,
Dude, you shouldn't have stuck your like upper half in there.
I think I'm gonna take like 5 minutes to get out of here. Wait, I think I got it. Should I come out this way or backwards?
I don't know.
Either way, as long as you get out.
Do it the like. What?
Hard way?
Yeah, do it the hard way. You're gonna like fall on your face.
Wait, no, wait. Wait, I keep on flipping.